Sengan no. Hah? Hah? Mohon प्यारे ना
(229) Mohana Pyari no livro em português.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। जय नित्य लीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत शिलवान श्री महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत शिलनारायण श्री महाराज की जय। भगवान शरणानंद श्री महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय नित्य लीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय। श्री गुरु गोसाई महाराज की जय। भक्ति सिद्धांत भक्ति सरस्वती प्रभुपाद की जय। रूपान गुरु वर्ग की जय। नाम संकीर्तन की जय। पतित पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। संवेद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्ते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्षै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यां वदामि राधां करुणाभरात्र ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। श्यामसुन्दर शिखण्ड शेखर स्मेर हास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिकमं कृपानिधे सप्रिया चरण किङ्करीं करो। संविदादशनतिनं विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजमन्ननन्दन वस्तु महो न तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरी प्रिया। प्राणनाथ विषभानुनन्दिनी श्रीमुखाब्जर सलोल सटापद राधिका पदतरीकृतास्थिते तं भजामि रसिकेन्द्र शेखर। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam and lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhvanad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhvanad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhvanad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Gandhi Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present here all of my respectful guests. So yesterday, until midnight, we also celebrate New Year's Day according to English calendar. And that night, many people, they lose money, or many people, they get lot of money. This is true. Many people, they waste money to drinking alcohol, going to the pub, or doing many things. Wasted money. Thousand, millions dollars. And or some people, they chanting holy name, but simply they got some profit. One poet also sang one song, Bhaver Bajare Gahi Ame Ram Nam. In the market of Bhava means material world, I am chanting holy names. Or some people, they are wasting money. So saying this, Bhaver Bajare, this market of this material world. This is true. Some gain profit or some lose money. Conditional soul, they don't know where will get profit or how will lose money. They don't know how to proper way use their money. This is true. Hard work and collect money, and that money they spend within a couple of seconds. Because this is the nature of the Maya. Maya is very powerful. Nam Sankirtan, Hari Katha, and especially Mahaprasad Sevan. This is the best. But people, they don't understand this very well. Anyhow, we are discussing about life history of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his contribution, Avadhan Vaishishya. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed the highest prem, Braja prem, to all the living entities. He did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. Especially Nityananda Prabhu, Haridas Thakur, Advaita Acharya. They went everywhere. Nityananda Prabhu, he gave mercy to Jagai Madhai Katha. Jagai Madhai, Uddhar. Uddhar means deliver. Nityananda Prabhu, I was magnificent and magnanimous. He delivered Jagai Madhai also. These things also explain. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave order all his followers. পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর নাম. Mahaprabhu told, one day my name will be preached all over the world, every town, every city. And one day everybody will chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur also wrote in his life history. He predicted, within 400 years, and whole world will be chant holy names, Nam Sankirtan. And that time only one religion, dharma, will be established in the world. And all other dharma will disappear. Everybody will chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Time is very powerful. Samay Balavan. Samay Balavan. Time is very powerful. Just wait. When time will come, everything will be manifest. Midnight you will say, hey, Surya Devata, Sun God, please wake up. I will say, Sun God will not darshan to you midnight. So we have to wait for morning. When morning will come, then Surya Devata, Sun God, will appear. In the same way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he predicted within 400 years, old world, every single person, a male, female, and boys, girls, everybody will say, Abridha Banita, old and young, gents and ladies, and small baby, everybody will be chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised with his devotee, in this Kali Yuga, I will be staying here in three forms: Nam, Sarup and Vigraha. And in my Vigraha, that is, I will be always in you. Sarup, my own transcendental form, I will be there. And my holy names, Hari Hari Nam. And Gaur Nam or Gaur Sundar same. And Gaur Hari. And also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained one day, everybody chant Gaura Hari, Gaura Hari, Gaura Hari. Everybody chant. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, yesterday I told just briefly few words. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he defeated the great Pandit Kesav Kashmir. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to him, Etoga Charya Vipra Sakara Janjal, Shri Krishna Bhajan Kara Sakal. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Brahman, Digvijay Brahman, give up all your reputation, name, fame, reputation, wealth, money, everything, and do bhajan and sadhana to Krishna. As soon as possible, you give up everything and you chant holy name. Nam Sankirtan. Nam bina kolikale nahi ar dharma, sarva shastre ei sar marma. The essence of all the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that is the Harinam. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva Kevalam, Kalu Nastva Nastiva Gatiranatha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he performed Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur. Srivas is the great devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu daily routine, early in the morning, before morning, Brahma Murta, Mahaprabhu wake up, and then Mahaprabhu chanting holy names. Then Mahaprabhu, he took bath in the Ganges and doing Stav Stuti Ganga Mahima. You know Ganga Stuti? Devi Sureshwari Bhagavati Gange Tribhuvana Tarilim Tarana Rangi Sankara Mauli Nivasini Vimali Mamamati Rastang Tavapada Kamali. Sankaracharya, he also composed this verse. Devi Sureshwari Bhagavati Gange Trivana Tarinim Tarala Tarange Sankara Mauli Nivasini Vimali Mamamati Rastang Tavada Kamali. Ganga Stuti, Mahaprabhu. And doing Ganga Arati and incense and ghee lamps, every day Mahaprabhu. And doing pranam. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he used to come in the house of Srivas Thakur Nam Sankirtan. And morning to midday, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan. Again, midday, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come the Ganges and we stop stuti and taking bath. That is the Trisangha Snan, mantra japa. Our scriptures explain, and if your health is good, you have to take bath how many times? 3 times. That is the Trisangha Snan. And Trisangha, Gayatri japa. And Gayatri japa, Gayatri mantra, you have to chant 3 times. Morning, then midday and evening. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu midday, after taking bath in the Gange, chanting Gayatri mantra, Stav Stuti Ganga. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back to his home. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took prasad. Then 4 o'clock, again Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming in the house of Srivas Thakur, Nam Sankirtan. And Srivas, all his families, Srivas Ramayan Pandit, and all his brothers, and Advaita Acharya, Nityananda, Gadadhar Pandit, all the getting and chanting holy name, Nam Sankirtan is going on this. And again, after sunset, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also again coming in the Ganga to pranam, stop, stuti, and Gayatri mantra jap, then Nam Sankirtan. Again coming in the house of Srivas Thakur, midnight, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nam Sankirtan. Just couple hours, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took rest. Maybe not more than 3 hours. And so yesterday we did sleep, Mangalarti, nobody coming also. Very few came. How many came Mangalarti? 80% did not come Mangalarti. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, every day he used to go take rest about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. Then Mangalarti Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day. So now coming in this way, one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur. All the devotees completely intoxicated with the Nam Sankirtan with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Kakono Uddanda Nache, Shashira Nandan. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing up and down this. Ajanulamita Bhuju Kanaka Budhatu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's bodies are very long, very tall body. And with very nice, beautiful and golden complexion. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dance, especially Nityananda Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there get 2 golden mountains at a time, up and down this. And Gaur Sundar Nityananda Vinchan. Gadadhar Pandit Srivas Thakur is very expert how to play mridanga. And others devotees. Advaita Acharya taking kartal or dancing there. Everybody comes there. And everybody completely intoxicated with the Nam Sankirtan, all kinds of Sattvik Vikar. Sattvik Vikar means ecstatic, manifested in their heart. Romancha, Kompas, Vaivarna. Romancha understand. Here stand in end. And all the they are standing. Nam Sankirtan. Doing Nam Sankirtan. And so much sweat coming. Everybody coming. And they don't know how long they are singing. Suddenly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stopped to dance and singing. When Mahaprabhu stopped, everybody also stopped. Nam Sankirtan. Then suddenly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Srivas, tell to me, how did you come in our Krishna consciousness, Nam Sankirtan? There's so much taste, ruchi in Nam Sankirtan. অনেক জন্মের যদি রহে সুকৃতি তবে তার হয় নামেতে রুচি। As you know your lives, your sukriti, then your taste will come chanting holy names. Everybody will not chant holy names. Ruchi, taste will not come. So saying Chaitanya Bhagavad or Chaitanya Mangal also explain this. অনেক জন্মের যদি রহে সুকৃতি, millions births sukriti, you have sukriti, spiritual passion to it, then your taste will come chanting holy names. Others not. Your taste will come, listen Hari Katha, your taste will come bhakti. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Srivas tell to me, you must so much intoxicated Nam Sankirtan. How? This is the teaching of, look, teaching of others, that is called Lokasiksha. Srivas Thakur, very humble, told Prabhu, you are the supreme personality of God, is saying Bhagavan. You know my inner heart and outer everything. Antar Vahi. Antar Vahi means inside and outside. Everything you know to me. What can I tell to you? But according to your requirement, I can say something. Then Srivas Thakur continuing, he told, Hey Prabhu, listen. From my youth, from my childhood to youth, Jivaka, I did not perform bhajan and sadhan. I did not give respect to my superiors. I was very completely what? Stupid nonsense and rascal. I committed many kinds of sinful activities, papa karma. In this way, 16 years passed. Then, one day, one dream had come. Night time, when he was sleeping, then one dream had come. Srivas Thakur told, Prabhu, in my dream, one Brahman appeared. Brahman came. Very nice, beautiful Brahman. That Brahman, he became very angry with me. There Brahman just pointed his finger with me. Hey Srivas! Stupid nonsense rascal. Very angry. And again he pointed finger with me. Srivas, do you know? You are not following the rules and regulations. Though you took birth in the Brahman family, but you are not following the Brahmanical activities. Jajan, Adhan, Adhapan. Jajan, Adhan, Adhapan, Dana, Padigraha. That is the 6 activities of Brahmana. Satakarma, Nipuna, Tantra, Mantra, Visarada. The Brahman, this is the qualification. The Brahman had to perform fire sacrifice. Brahman have to read Veda, Shastra, Bhagavad Gita. Brahman have to worship Thakurji. Brahman have to give donation to others and take donation from others. So again, our Shastra says this way. But you did not follow any rules and regulations of Brahmanical activities. Do you know how long you will be in this material world? Have you think yourself? He chastised me to me. The Brahman, in that dream, that Brahman, again and again, he chastised me to me. Do you know? Only 1 year. Only 1 year you will be staying in this material world. Then after 1 year, you will die. Then Brahman disappeared from my dreams. Then I wake up and so much sweat coming from my body. I afraid. So much sweat coming. Srivas Thakur told Prabhu, still I am remembering that Brahmana. From that day, my life completely was changed. I gave up all my bad habits. I gave up my all bad habits. Calm and quiet. I am not speaking to anyone. I am thinking, only 1 year, 364 days I live in this. So every day I was looking the calendar. One day, then we go after 64 days. Then 364 days. Then next day 363, 62. That means I am thinking I am going to the ocean of the death, ocean of the death. Just I am afraid. Then what will do now? I don't know. What is the essence of my life? What will do? Who will give me? direction. Who will guide to me where I will go? Then suddenly I found one sloka of Brihat Naradiya Puran. Suddenly one piece of paper and this slok written. That slok is Brihat Naradiya Puran sloka. What is the slok? Hare Namo, Hare Namo, Hare Namo eva kevalam kalo nasteva 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 gatirannatha. When I read this slok, then I am thinking, oh, I have to chant holy names. From that day, I am chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process to conquer the death. Only one process, Nam Sankirtan. By the performing karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, austerity, charity, donation, you cannot do it. Only Nam Sankirtan. So I am chanting holy names. But I afraid, because that's the dream, truth. Every day I am looking the calendar. In this way, 6 months passed. Then one day I heard Devananda Pandit. He was very great scholar person in Navadvip Dham. Devananda Pandit. He gave Bhagavat class, Srimad Bhagavatam. So I thinking, I have to go listen to Bhagavat Katha. If you listen to Srimad Bhagavat Katha, then your life will be successful. Understand? Sometimes I told the story, or the story. One day, one person just committed many sinful acts. Jam Maharaj told, unlimited time you will go to the hell. At only 24 minutes you can go to the heaven. So what do you go? What do you prefer? He told, okay, first I go to the heaven, see 24 minutes. Not 24 hours, 24 minutes. Ekadam. So he came in the heaven and saw one person. He was reading some Bhagavat Katha. He listened to Bhagavat Katha. Then when he came out, then Jam Maharaj asked, why did you so late? Then he told, I listened to Bhagavat Katha. And he was very clever. He asked Jam Maharaj, one who listens to Bhagavat Katha, what benefit he will get? What benefit will he get? Then Jam Maharaj told, I cannot give answer. Come with me. Brahmaji. Brahma Loka, Sapta Loka. Brahmaji told, I cannot give perfect answer. It is better go to Shiva Loka. Then they came in Shiva Loka. Shivji told, I cannot give perfect answer. One who listens to Bhagavat Katha. But what will do? It is better go to Vaikuntha. Because Bhagavat is non-dependent from Krishna. 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam means 12th limbs and body of Krishna. Prathama, Ditya, Tritiya, Tarju. This sloka, Padma Purana sloka, very clearly explained. So all they decide, I have to go to Vaikuntha. And that person is going, I am very tired. Morning to evening, you are also coming to me, this look, I cannot go. That time Brahmaji, Shivji, and Jam Maharaj, they decide, okay, he doesn't want to go that way. We have to make one nice palanquin. That time that person, he took rest, and some demigod carried the palanquin. When came in Vaikuntha, their Lord Vishnu told Lakshmi, my pure devotee is coming. Bring my, what is it called? Mala, garland. And Lord himself also will come to him and in Vaikuntha with his own and prasadi mala and remnants of incarnate. Then seated in that place, everybody asked, one who listens to Hari Katha, Bhagavat Katha, what benefit will get? Then Lord Vishnu told this, for what is this? For this you come in Vaikuntha Dham and all you also come here. Just I briefly tell to you. How is powerful Bhagavat Katha. So now when the Srivas Thakur just is thinking, and I have to go to listen to Bhagavat Katha. Bhagavat Katha is perfect. So now coming, and now he came in the Bhagavat Katha, Devananda Pandit. First canto to 12th canto, listen Bhagavat Katha. But he is always afraid because he told after 1 year he will be died. And in this way, 360 days fast. How many days more? 5 days. Panchadinan, 5 days. Okay. 5 days. Then he thinking what will do now. Again he afraid chanting holy name. In this way, 5 days and 3 days passed in his rest 2 days. 363 days passed, then 2 days left. That means day after tomorrow you have to die. And that day, also Devananda Pandit, he was giving class about the life history of Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Charitra Katha. Prahlad Katha. Srivas Thakur continued and told Prabhu, I afraid my death. But I am chanting holy names. Then in this way, 2 days, 3 days, 1 day passed, and rest 1 day. In this way, 364 days passed, only rest 1 day. And that was the last day. And that day, Devananda Pandit, he explained how Lord Vishnu, Krishna, protected Prahlad Maharaj. You know, Hiranyakasipu, he tried to kill Prahlad Maharaj in different ways. Tried to kill him with the elephant. Tried to kill him with the snake. Tried to kill him, throw in the mountain. And tried to kill him to feed the poison. Tried to kill him, put in the fire, different ways. When Devananda Pandit, he explained how Lord Vishnu, Krishna, protect Prahlad. That time I was crying. I am thinking Prahlad is the devotee of Lord. So for this regard, Lord protect Prahlad. I am not devotee. And just I afraid chanting holy names. One person spontaneous from his childhood chanting holy names. Or one person just afraid. Then he chanting with that difference. Understand? One person chanting holy names spontaneous from his childhood or his previous sanskar. Or someone chanting holy names just listen something, glories of the holy names, Nam Mahima. In the same way, Devananda, Srivas Thakur is saying, Prabhu, I was chanting holy names from the afraid of my death, Mrityuvas. And chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. And I was weeping, crying, shedding tears. I am not a devotee of Lord Vishnu. So how possible Lord will protect to me? And that was last day. And just a man looking sun about going down. Understand? Western side, almost a reddish color. Sun going down. Then I am looking. And then I was chanting, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Because the sun goes down, I have to die. In the meantime, Prabhu, I don't know when sun goes down. I am looking when sun goes down, sunset. Then my head start to spinning. Then I fell down from the balcony down. That time I don't know, but later I heard my family brought my dead body. I left my body, and my dead body brought my house. And all my family's members, they were crying. Shok Sabha, they are crying for me. Then suddenly I returned back my life here. I was crying. Then I asked my family, why you are crying? What happened? That time they told, thinking, oh, you left body, you died, but by the mercy of Lord, you return back your life. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Srivas, could you remember something? When you fell down from the balcony, you touched the earth, or what happened? That time Srivas Thakur very humble told Prabhu, I remember something more. When I fell down from the balcony, same Brahmana who came in my dream, he also held me and gave shelter in his lap. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, could you remember who was that Brahmana? Then Srivas Thakur very humble told Prabhu, you are that Brahmana. You are that Brahman. And you came in my dream, chastised me, and you protect me. And I chanted your holy names. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Srivas, this is true. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised, one who chants holy names, I will protect him. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Krishna also says, Name Bhakta Pranasati. And one who chants my holy name, he will be never alone. So this is the glories of Harinam. Nam. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night chanted holy names, Nam Sankirtan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told all his disciples, followers, I will not give class about Vyakaran Shastra. If you want, and everybody come with me, Nam Sankirtan. From that day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told all his words, Nam Sankirtan. Krishna Dhatu, Kris Dhatu. Dhatu means essence of the all. Dhatu means essence. The verbal root. Dhatu. So in the essence of our life is what? Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Nam. You have many knowledge, but knowledge will not go with you. You have many kinds of degree, qualification, MA, PhD, after death, no one go. Only Krishna Nam, Nam Dhatu. Then Mahaprabhu told to everybody, chant holy name, then your life will be successful. Sahi se viddar phal janiya nischay. Krishna, sahi se viddar phal janiya nischay. Krishna pad pad mein jodi chitta vritti hai. What the essence of Vidya, knowledge? Sahi se Vidya, Krishna Bhakti. Sahi se Vidya phal janiya nischay. Krishna pad pad mein jodi chitta vritti hai. Mahaprabhu himself told, Padiya suniya loke gele chare khare. Vanchila sahi Sri Krishna Mahotsavi. If you read, if you have many knowledge, acquire of knowledge, what benefit you will get? Just name, fame, reputation, something. Nothing also there. But you chant holy names, then your life will be successful. So Mahaprabhu told all his followers, Ama prati jadi rahe sabekar. If you love to me, so you have to follow my instruction. What instruction? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama नाम संकीर्तन कलिकाले नाम बिना नहीं आर धर्म सर्वशास्त्र यही सारमर्म the essence of all the scriptures नाम संकीर्तन. In this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave instruction to everyone. Oh my brother, oh my sister, chant holy name. Give up all kinds of arguments. What you will get? Nothing. What benefit you will get? Tarkat अप्रतिष्ठानात् वेदांत सूत्र है. तर्कात् अप्रतिष्ठानात्. According your logic, you cannot establish your philosophy. You establish one philosophy, then another person will come and cut your philosophy. That is called Khandan Mandan. You establish your philosophy, then another person will come, cut your philosophy. Then you establish, then another person will come. So the whole life, this is what? Chattering, fettering, nothing. Chattering, fettering, understand? Nothing. What will you get? So Mahaprabhu told, Ama prati sneha jadi rahe prati sabakar. Iha koi na bolibe na bolaibe ar. Krishna bhaja, Krishna chinta, Krishna karo sar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, if you really love to me, oh my brother, oh my sister, listen, chant holy names, Nam Sankirtan. So from that day, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed Nam Sankirtan. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu decided, then I have to go Gaya. Gaya to give the some Pitri Sraddha. According to Vedic culture, if your parents will die or your relative will die, you have to what is called Sraddha. Sraddha ceremony. You have to do. This is your duty. This is Vedic culture. Okay? Understand? No understand, no problem. You have to what is called? Obligation. Yeah? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Gaya, but when Gaya Sraddha, that is called Vishnu, footprints are there, Vishnu Charan Chinna. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw the Vishnu's footprints, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in his Krishna Lila. And remembering how gopis, they feel separation from him. When Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance, then gopis came one place and saw Krishna Charan Chinna, footprints. Then gopis, they also cried and looking the footprints of Krishna. Same katha Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was thinking. Dhyana Mangalam. Our scriptures also explain. Before going to sleep, every day you have to remember the very nice, beautiful footprints of Krishna. Then all your inauspiciousness will disappear. When you go to sleep, think Krishna Charan Chinna. Many people think, oh, I am afraid, I cannot sleep, this thing, Hari chant. You remember Krishna's Krishna Charan Chinna, footprints of Krishna. Very beautiful. 19 symbols are there. Here, first symbol is, if you remember, the chakra, Sudarshan chakra, in the footprints of Krishna. Then all your sansar chakra will be destroyed. Because Sudarshan chakra is there. Dhaj, Vajra, Ankush. So now when the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came in Gaya, when he saw Vishnu's footprints, Vishnu Charan Chinna, Mahaprabhu cried and cried. In the same time, by Jogmaya, then Iswar Puripad he came. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw the lotus feet of Iswar Puripad, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu hold the lotus feet of Iswar Puripad. And Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu kahe gajatra sapalamar, jatakan dekilam charana tomar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Hey Prabhu, now my Gaya pilgrimage is successful. Because now I am taking darshan you lotus feet. Because Ishar Puripad is the great devotee. He is the disciple of Madhavendra Puripad. In our Gaudiya Vaishnavas, Madhavendra Puripad is called Bhakti Premankur. He is proud of Prema. He recited one verse very Mathur Viraha. Oi Dino Dadra Nato Mathura Nato Kada Avaluk. This verse. This verse is recited by only 3 persons. First Srimati Radhika, second Madhavendra Puripad, or third Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He Deva He Daita He Bhuvan He Kabandhu He Krishna He Chapala He Karuna He Kasindhu He Nata He Ramana He Nayana Viramam Ha Ha Kadanu Bhavitasmi Bhubur Disur Me. Hey Krishna, you are my heart. You are my heart and soul. You are my Prananath. Hey Deva, hey Daita, Bhuvanaika Bandhu. You are the friend of all the universe. Hey Nath, hey Ramana, hey Nayanavi Rama. When you give darshan your beautiful lotus face. When you will again return back from Mathura to Vrindavan. Actually, this is the mood of Mathur Viraha. That means when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, that time Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. Same mood Madhavendra Puripad, crying, crying and crying. Oi Dino Deadra Natho, Mathura Natho, Kada Palakas. So now coming in this way, Madhavendra Puripad, the great devotee. And Madhavendra Puripad gave all his treasure of heart, dhan, prem dhan, to Ishar Puripad. Because Ishar Puripad, he absolutely surrendered lotus feet of Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra had 2 disciples. One is called Ishar Puripad, and another, what is his name? Ramchandra Puri. But Ramachandra Puri has not faith with Ishar Puripad. Taking Diksha, this is not enough. If you have faith with Guru, what kinds of benefit you will get? So in the same way, Ramchandra Puri has no faith. He was crying and crying. And for Krishna. Madhavendra Puripad. Same mood of Srimati Radhika Dibba Madhavendra. And that time Ramchandra Puri asked Prabhu, hey Gurudev, why you are crying for Krishna? You are a Brahma. Brahma should not cry. Then Madhavendra become angry, stupid nonsense. Tumhare dekhili amar hoy not gati. If I see your face, maybe I will go here. Reject me. And then Ishar Puripad, day and night, he served to Madhavendra Puripad. Bodily, mindly, he served to him. Body, mind and speech. So for this regard, Madhavendra Puripad, he gave all his Premadhan, treasure of his heart, to Ishar Puripad. Then Ishar Puripad, he gave this Premadhan to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is in this way. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he saw that lotus feet of Ishar Puripad, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely surrendered to Lord Chaitanya. Ishar Puripad told, प्रभु को एक यात्रा सफल आमार जतक्षण देखिलाम चरण तमा तीर्थ पिंडी दिले तारा सब तरे. If you do pinda dan of the someone that I told, if left body someone pinda dan, maybe they will be delivered from the sinful activities. Many people committing many kinds of sinful activities. So how they will be free from the sinful activities? So our scriptures explain you have to give some pindadan. Pindadan, some mantra, and with this mantra offering to them, then he will be delivered from their sinful activities. So here saying, तीर्थे पिंडी दिले तारा सब तरी, और तुम्हार चरण दर्शने अनायासे तरी. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Ishwar Paripad, hey Gurudev, now I am taking your lotus feet, then my life is successful. यदि हो समर्पिनु तुम्हारे चरण. Mahaprabhu was crying and crying. Prabhu, what will give to you? I am giving my body, mind, spirit to you. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he took Diksha in his Ishwar Paripad, Gopal Mantra, Gayatri Mantra. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai returned back Navadvipa Dham. From that day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only chanting holy names, crying day and night. And he told to everybody, chant holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Jare dekhe tare kohen Krishna upadesh. If Lord Chaitanya says to anyone, very humble, saying, oh my brother, chant holy names. Krishna kaho, Krishna naam, naam sante. Day and night crying, Mahaprabhu. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Dibban Madhasa, crying. Once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy names. And Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Then Krishna appeared in front of him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna left me. Now I am alone. So in this mood, Lord Chaitanya was chanting holy names. In the meantime, Krishna appeared. Very nice, beautiful, smiling face. Mukha Chandrama. Chaitanya, Krishna's face is as like very nice, beautiful, shiny, full moon. Dibbajati Chandrama. Very nice. And playing fools. And with his hands, one hand, he also had hints to him, come. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu running to him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with him thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna has come. I have to hold his feet. And Hidayara Majhari. Thobo. Kabi Krishna Dhana Pavo. Hidaya Majhari Thobo. Our Nartam Das Thakur sang this song. Same mode. And I will kick. Tora Kunja Sajao go. Sometimes we sing in this song. Srimati Radhika sang this song. When she heard Krishna is coming in her kunja. Before she was feeling separation from Krishna. But some Sakhis told, hey Radhe, your Pranagovinda Krishna is coming in your kunja. Then Srimati Radhika, she was crying. Then he sends and go, Krishna is coming. Then she told, oh all my Sakhi's girlfriend, listen. Tora kunja sajao go. Asilo asite pare amar. I forget. They are dancing very nice also. And Delhi and also Odisha. Gujarat program. Asite prare amar prananath. And Tamra kunja sajao go. This mode, Chaitanya. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and we thinking I will hold his lotus feet. And if I hold his lotus feet, I will never allow him to go anywhere. And so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is running behind towards Krishna. Or Krishna is running, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Krishna, he disappears. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fainted. Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna. In this way, in Navadvipa Dham, Mayapur, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes crying. Day and night chanting holy name, not taking rest, not sleep. One day, some ladies, they are talking to each other in the assembly of Sachi Mata. Yes, Sachi Mata, she glorified my Nimai. day and night chanting holy name, not sleeping, nothing. Eh? Maybe he has one kind of disease that is called Vayu, too much air in the stomach, then you cannot sleep. That is called Vayu. If you Vayu means air, in your body, three things. Kapha, Pitta, Pitta, Vayu. If you Vayu too much, Vayu means air too much, you cannot sleep. Headache. And head always is what? Spinning. So in this way, Sachi Mata had so much Vatsalya Bhav, parental more. So Sachi Mata, she told, maybe my Nimai at this Vayu. Day and night, chanting holy name, and not sleeping, not eating, and the hot one. In the meantime, Srivas Thakur also there. Then Srivas Thakur told, Prabhu, if Srivas Thakur told Mother Sachi Devi, your Nimai have no any disease. This is the symptom of prem. Prem manifested one's heart, this is the symptom. Mundane people, they cannot understand. Mundane people, they are thinking, oh, maybe this disease, this is bath, kapha, pitta. Then one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again met with Srivas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, that day actually you also protect my life. Everybody told to me, I am mad. I have this type of disease. Vayu. And if you do say, yes, I have Vayu, then I cannot tolerate. Then I have to give up my body in the Ganges. Because who realized the heart of the pure devotees? Who has prayed? So now in this way, day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy Nam Sankirtan. In the house of Srivas Thakur, this way. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur and closed the door. Midnight, one Brahman came and Brahman knocked the door. Nimai, 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 I want to enter your Nam Sankirtan. But that day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, my Nam Sankirtan, no one can enter. And close his door, window, everything. Only those who are intimate, as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srivas Thakur, Advaita Acharya, Nityananda, Haridas Thakur, there. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing Nam Sankirtan. And that Brahman came and knocked the door. Nimai, 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 I want to enter in your Nam Sankirtan. But everybody completely intoxicated Nam Sankirtan. No one listened. Then that Brahmana, he gave cards. Nimai, your family life have to destroy. He gave these cards. Your family life have to destroy. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard later, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, oh, this is not the cards, this is called the blessing. Why? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, I have to take sannyas. Because Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. In this Kali Yuga, who will be Bhagavan? Takta, Sudhisuja, Sudhisuta, Rajya Lakshmi, Dharmishta, Arja, Vachasha. Jadgaran, Arnam, Maya, Mirgam, Dikta, Ipsita, Nadhavada, Bande, Maha, Purushate, Sharanar, Vindam. This is the evidence of Srimad Bhagavatam also. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinks I have to take sannyas. I have to keep the cards of the Brahmana, who is Bhagavan. He is not to taking any cards. But Vipra Bhakka Rakshatari Prabhu Korila sannyas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu keep the cards of the Brahmana. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinks I have to take sannyas. Then in the month of Magh, very coldest month in India, coldest month, that is called Magha Mas. The end of January, I think, and beginning of the February, the last portion of the cold month. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu think I have to take sannyas. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu two leelas, one is called Grahastha Leela or another is called Sannyas Leela. Two leelas, household life, and another is called renounced order's life. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, here Navadvip Vasis, they committed many offenses, aparad. If I took sannyas, sannyasi buddhe amai kori pranam. Ite tate sarva pap vai nas. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this verse. If I would take sannyas, then they will give pranam to me. They don't know I am son Bhagavan. They are thinking I am an ordinary human being. They committed offense. But if I would take sannyas, then have to give respect to me and do pranam. Because Shastra explained it. Sannyasi dekhiya nahnoy jwar munda, tar munda giya pade narake kunda. Chaitanya Bhagavat Vrindavan Das Thakur explained. If you darshan to sannyasi, you have to pay your obeisance and dandavat pranam. Otherwise, you lose your punya karma, you lose wealth, money, everything. And also, you have to go to the hell. This verse is saying this. Sannyasi dekhiya na nuai jar man munda, tar munda giya pade narake kunda. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking, if would I take sannyas, then all the Navadvip Vasis, those who offended aparad, they automatically give pranam to me. Then all their offenses automatically disappear. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the embodiment of munificent magnanimous. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to take sannyas. And another thing, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to deliver in others also. Sarva Bhattacharya, he already left Navadvip Dham and he is now staying in Jagannath Puri. Now I have to deliver many things also. And I have to meet with Rai Ramananda. This is very important. Why Krishna have come in this Kali Yuga? They have come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachidananda and Gaurari. Main thing is you have to realize the Srimati Radhika's highest praise. Sri Radha Pranaya Mahima Kidusha Banaiva. What is the divine love of Srimati Radhika? This prem have to realize. But without Guru, how can I realize this prem? This prem is not easy to realize. Need Guru. Which Guru need? Then Sravan Guru need. Have to listen. Highest Hari Katha from high class Guru. Though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu already took Diksha from Ishwar Puri Bhatt, that is called Diksha Guru. Then Bhajan Siksha Guru need. Without Bhajan Siksha Guru, your bhajan will be never complete. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to meet with Visakha Devi. Now Visakha Devi is in what is called Kovur, in the form of Rai Ramananda. So many things Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking. I have to take sannyas and meet with Rai Ramananda. Without meet with Rai Ramananda, I can't realize the highest prem of Srimati Radhika. There are many reasons. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas? What is the reason? There are many reasons I say. That is called external reason and internal reason. The internal reason is this is the main reason. That is called how to meet with Rai Ramananda, Visakha Devi. Because Visakha Devi, she is non-different from Srimati Radhika. Visakha Devi appearance day, Srimati Radhika's appearance is same. Visakha Nagat. Visakha's another name is called also Anuradha. Gauru Ganadesh Deepika or another Rupa Goswami's Grantha, Radha Krishna, Ganadesh Deepika, and Anuradha Visakha Devi. And Visakha Devi's mood and Radhika's mood also same, very close. So without taking shelter, lotus feet of Visakha Devi, no one can realize Srimati Radhika's mood. Understand? Visakha Devi. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai Pandit thinking I have to take sannyas and I have to meet with Visakha Devi. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the month of Magh, he took sannyas. And Katwa he came and he took sannyas from Kesav Bharati. And he took sannyas. Then his name Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Then after taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu complete sannyas mantra Gopi Bhag. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Now I have to meet with my beloved Krishna Vrindavan. Or here Navadvip Dham, all the devotees they are feeling separation for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Especially Sachi Devi, she came to tolerate. Then Nityananda Prabhu told to Sachi Devi, Ma, I return back your Niman. So Nityananda Prabhu, he also came one place when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Katwa on the way of Vrindavan. Then Nityananda Prabhu, he came one place and some cowherd boys are herding the cows. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu taught to them, look, one sannyasi is coming. If he will ask, where is the Vrindavan? Then he will give direction, not this way, and opposite way. In this way, Nityananda Prabhu, he taught to that cowherd boys. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed, Kahamohan Prananath Murali Badan, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna, Ha Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crying and chanting holy names, Krishna, 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 Krishna. Then one place, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and some of the cowherd boys herding the cows. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, maybe this is Vrindavan. So much stimulation, mood coming. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced the calves and cowherd boys and asked, hey cowherd boys, how far Vrindavan? Where is Vrindavan? And according to the training of Nityananda Prabhu, then cowherd boy told, oi, Navin Sannyasi, this is not Vrindavan. You left Vrindavan behind. Then Chaitanya, Vrindavan? Left? Yes. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and returned back to towards Navadvip Dham and Santipur Navadvip. And Nityananda Prabhu very quickly came and gave message to Advaita Acharya. And so Advaita Acharya, he prepared Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sannyas cloth and also one boat. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come your house. So according to instruction of Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, he prepared everything. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming and chanting holy names and Vrindavan, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu coming and on the bank of the Ganges. And Advaita Acharya already there. Nityananda Prabhu, all the devotees. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, Nitai, why did you come here, Vrindavan? Are Advaita Acharya, why have you come Vrindavan? And that time told Prabhu, where you are, there is Vrindavan. Jaha Krishna, taha Vrindavan. Where is Krishna, there is Vrindavan. You are Krishna. So where you are, there is Vrindavan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saw Ganga. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is not Jamuna. Jamuna water, the water of Jamuna, blue color. Or here the water of the Jamuna, water of the Ganges, white color. And so other side of the Ganges, big, what is it called? Coconut trees. Jackfruit trees, all Brazil trees are there. Understand? Banana trees, everything there. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, oh, this is not a Vrindavan. Oh, this is Santipur. Then Advaita Acharya Prabhu, where you are, there is Vrindavan. This is also Ganga Jamuna. Look, this side Ganga, that side Jamuna. And if you go Navadvip Dham, you can see the two rivers at a time also flowing. Ganga and Jamuna. White water and also blue water, you can see there. Ganga and Jamuna both. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Nitai, you are very clear. You cheat me. Krishna does not like to me, go to Vrindavan. What will you do? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took bath in the Ganges. Ha Krishna, crying. Then Advaita Acharya gave his cloth, before I told, prepared the sannyas cloth. Then Advaita Acharya prepared one boat. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crossed the Ganges and coming in the house of Advaita Acharya. Where? Santipur. And if you go Santipur, always you will get Santi. If you want to take Santi peace, you have to go Santipur. Your mind Asanti, restless mind. If you want to fix your mind, you have to go where? Santipur. Who will go Santipur? Raise your hand. You will not go. Only Nitai. My Nitai. Come with Navadvip Dham. Navadvip Dham, very such Dham. Dham Parikrama. Gurudev last instruction, 2010. 2010. Gurudev last instruction. They are all my disciples. They have to come my parikrama. Especially Gurudev told. You can see on YouTube. Gurudev last day, what is called? Brajamandal Parikrama, Purnima. When I remember Gurudev told. Gurudev just couple minutes. I have no money. Money you have all over, lot of money you have. You dig the earth, then you will get money. Money not problem. Problem, mind problem. Dham Parikrama. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the house of Advaita Acharya in Santipur. According to the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Advaita Acharya, he sang one song. Very nice, beautiful song. Ki kohibre sakhi anandaur chiradina madhava mandire mor achara bhariya jadi manika pai tabe ham piyare dura dese na pathai. Chaitanya Charitamrita, very nice explanation. When Advaita Acharya, he sang this song, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in Radhika. That's the simple meaning of that. After long separation, Sudirgha Viraha, when Srimati Radhika, she met with her beloved Krishna, then Lalita Visakha or one Sakhi asked Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, now you are meeting with your beloved Krishna. What are you feeling? What do you realize? And that time Srimati Radhika, she told this verse. Ki kahibre sakhi anand aur chiradin madhava mandir mo. Oh my Sakhi girlfriend, I cannot express my happiness. Now we are meeting with my beloved Krishna. Chiradin madhava mandir mo. Madhav Krishna always stay in my temple of my heart, Hidai Mandir. And I will never take out him from my temple of my heart, Hidai Mandir. आचर भरिया जड़ी कोई मानी कदे तब हम प्यारे दूर देशे न पठाए. If anybody would say, hey Radhe, I am giving lot of wealth money to you, just after a few days to send your beloved to Krishna in far country. Srimati Radhika told not possible. Achara bhari aidi man. Uddhav they said, Pyare Guru desi na pata. I will not send my beloved Krishna far country. Never. I always keep my Govinda in my Hidai Mandir temple of my heart. So saying, Achara bhari ajadi mani kapai. तबु हम प्यारे दूर देश ना पटाई माना प्राण गोविंद हाउ इज बड़ी सारे छा इन द रेनी सीजन व्हाट डू वांट umbrella if I tell hey give your umbrella you give to me or not who will give no one give
For you?
Now you are saying, but when time will come, that time will be. Now no rain, so you can take the Sundara. Sundara will next. He says he comes for Vrindavan. His name is Sundara. Sundar will give you. Sundaram. So say, Maj Dariyarana. Maj Dariyarana means in the middle of the ocean. What do you prefer? What do you like? Lifeboat. If that boat sank in the water, only one lifeboat. You are sitting there. One person can carry that lifeboat. I will tell you, give me. You will give? No. Who will give? No. Everybody, nobody.
For you?
Maybe give the umbrella, give but lifeboat. Maybe you will give the umbrella to me. Okay, Maharaj, take umbrella you want. But lifeboat, impossible. Chacha, upon front bacha first save my life. Live and let live. You are saying the only time will come that will understand. Shitera Orini Pia. You are saying. Srimati Radhika continues saying, my beloved Krishna is as like one warm cloth in the winter season. One cloth, winter cloth, very on a blanket. You completely wrap your body. I tell you, hey, I am feeling very cold. Give your blanket. You will give? Who will give? No one. If you go England, you can understand.
Yeah, for sure.
Or Moscow, minus 5, 10 or 20, very cold. If you have no one cloth jacket, then you understand. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she says in this verse, my beloved Govinda is as like the blanket in the winter season. So saying, Sitera Orini Pia, Giriserva. Giriserva means the cool wind in the summer season. They are giving body cooling, happiness. In the same way, my beloved Krishna, when I am meeting with you, this. So when Advaita Acharya, he sang this song, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced and sang. And completely absorbed the mood of Srimati Radhika. Then the message spread all over the Navadvip Dham. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned in Santipur. Then all the residents of Navadvip, Mayapur, everybody also, even Sachi Devi. But one person, she did not come. Who? Vishnu Priya. And Mahaprabhu very strict. Mahaprabhu told, no, Vishnu Priya should not come. So Vishnu Priya feeling separation from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu later gave, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his own vigraha to her. And Vishnu Priya Devi, she served Chaitanya Mahaprabhu vigraha and singing this song. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangera Nam. Jana Gaura Bhaji, say hi Amar Pran Re. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga. Everybody chant Gaura Nam. Chant Gaura Mantra. And one who chants Gaura Nam is my heart and soul. Then Vishnu Priya Devi, day and night, he chant Gaura Nam, Krishna Nam, and serve Mother Sachi Devi. Vishnu Priya's life is today pathetic. Morning to evening, he is taking one rice, piece of rice, and chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then what? The rice coming and the rice she cooked, and that she also offered to Thakurji. Then offer and the half portion offered to Sachi Mata, and half portion. Then another half portion she offered to her husband, her servant Ishan Thakur. Ishan Thakur, and he took care the house of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then rest she took that prasad. And in this way, day and night, Vishnu Priya Devi chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had met with Sachi Devi and all the residents of Navadvip. Then Sachi Devi told Nimai, don't go Vrindavan, you stay Jagannath Puri. So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Jagannath Puri. And then first we met with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and discussed Vedanta Tattva Siddhanta. Maybe evening we discuss. Bolo Sajanandana Gaur Hari Ki Hello Gaura 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 Hare Gaura 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 Paima Gaura 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 Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Laha Gaurangera Naam Re Laha Gaurangera Naam Re Gauranga Japa Gauranga हरि बोल।
यशोमतिनन्दना ब्रजवरनागना गोकुलराजनपाला यशोमतिनन्दना ब्रजवरनागना